to Seed to Life. This is my 100th video. Thank you very much for all your support and encouragement that makes me feel like creating new videos every week. I have not been consistent for the past few months due to personal commitments, but planning to change that now. In the coming days, I hope to share with you the information about many rare medicinal plants, unusual vegetables, and organic gardening in general. Today also I'm going to share with you an interesting plant, the marshmallow plant. Can you imagine harvesting marshmallows from your own plants? Just kidding. Marshmallows do not grow on plants, but they are made or they can be made from the roots of these beautiful flowering plants. Marshmallow plants are scientifically known as Althaea officinalis, and it is an ancient medicinal plant that first originated in ancient Egypt in 2000 BC. It was first used as a traditional remedy to relieve cough and cold symptoms and to heal wounds. The process involved boiling the roots to get a slimy pulp that was then mixed with honey and stored. It was later introduced in France, where candy makers started using the sap to make tasty candies from the roots of the mallow plants. This candy, called pâte de guimau, I hope I'm pronouncing it correctly, was a spongy soft dessert made from whipping dried marshmallow roots with sugar, water, and egg whites. Gradually, the candy makers started using gelatin instead of mallow roots. Nowadays, the marshmallows that we buy from the stores do not contain marshmallow roots, instead they use gelatin. Marshmallow plants are native to Europe, North Africa, and Western Asia. Now, if you can make the s'mores easily from the store-bought marshmallows or make them from other ingredients, then why to bother growing these plants? As I mentioned earlier, marshmallow plants were used as a traditional medicine in Egypt and still commonly used as a herbal remedy for cold, cough, and inflammation. According to some researchers, the extract from marshmallow plants can protect the body from certain bacterial, fungal, and viral infections. Marshmallow plants were famously used to reduce dry cough and act as a cough suppressant. These plants have some phytochemicals that may reduce the inflammation and promote wound healing. Mallow plants are also believed to fight against oral infections. According to some researchers, the extracts from marshmallow plants can be used for protecting skin from harsh UV radiation. These starchy plants are also believed to have hypoglycemic effect. That means they may be able to lower the blood sugar. The reason I decided to grow these plants is because I was curious to know more about the marshmallow plants, and also their beautiful purple violet flowers look very pretty. So let's see how to grow these plants in our home garden. I decided to grow these plants in my aero garden first, as marshmallows like moist soil and grow well in cooler climates. So I decided to grow them indoors first, as the outside temperatures were still high in late summer. Marshmallow plants grow in USDA growing zones 3 through 7. They are fast growers and like a lot of sunlight. I grew my plant from seeds. The seed germination time is short. Within a week I noticed the seed had germinated. The plant grew pretty fast in my aero garden, and in just a couple of months started producing flowers. Now the weather has started cooling down, so I can finally start more seeds to grow these plants outdoors. You can direct sow the seeds or start them indoors. But while choosing a location, you have to pick a spot that gets plenty of sunshine and has moist soil. If you are planning to plant marshmallow plants with other plants, then make sure that the other plants are equally aggressive, or these cute mallow plants will fill out that spot very quickly, leaving no space for other plants. Even in my aero garden, I couldn't grow many other plants because the mallow plants were taking up most of the nutrition and space. The other thing that you have to consider is that if you're not growing these plants as just ornamental plants and want to harvest the roots, then you may want to wait for 1.5 to 2 years to get good sized roots. Marshmallow plants like damp soil, so select the soil mix with good moisture retaining ability and lot of organic content. You can feed these plants with any all-purpose fertilizers. The best time to start marshmallow plants is in late fall, when the temperature starts cooling down. I'm in Zone 8 and planning to start them now in November as winters are very short in my region and start late. For now, I have moved the mature marshmallow plant outdoors. I hope it adjusts well to the sudden change in the climate. When you transplant the plants grown in AeroGarden outside, sometimes they don't do well. If the plants are precious and not strong, then you should cut the plant holder to take out the plant with minimal root damage. Marshmallow plants grow to the height of 4 to 5 feet. The new stems keep growing from near the bottom of the plant. The stems grow upright and need staking, or the long stems will just fall down with heavy winds. The plant starts producing flowers in about 2 to 3 months. The flowers are very pretty lilac in color. The central parts are deep purple in color. The pollens fall down on the petals like a powder and look very pretty. These flowers are self-fertile. That means you do not need male and female flowers or male or female plants. I tried to hand pollinate the flowers as I was growing the plants indoors, but unfortunately none of the flowers fertilize. So I decided to move the plant out. When grown outdoors, bees and other beneficial insects take care of pollination. The seeds of marshmallow plants are tiny kidney-shaped. The leaves of marshmallow plants have thin hair-like structures on them. The leaves have serrated margins and they look like grape leaves, but the leaves are very delicate and they can easily get bruised. The plant that I moved outdoors is doing well in this small pot and soon it will be ready to go in the ground. I hope you liked this video and found it useful. A big thanks for watching my videos. Please subscribe to my channel, leave a like and share my videos. Media links are posted in the description. See you again.